everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today we are going to be doing a what I bought and what I got video. As you can see behind me, I have an Ipsy bag, and then I also am going to be showing you some stuff that I got from Mercari. So I'm going to be featuring a Mercari shop for you today. Alright, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome, and if you are considering subscribing, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell, and you know, all the business you should be doing. Okay, or we hope you're doing. Okay, so this is the Ipsy bag. I did get two add-ons this time, which I had never done before. So let's see what I got. So here we go. Here's the Ipsy bag. This month, this is what it looks like. It's like a hunter green color. Which really, green, I kind of steer away from green some because I spent a lot of years working in a hospital where the color scrubs that I had to wear were green. So I don't wear a lot of hunter green anymore. Alright, so my two add-ons this month were this Color Pop palette, and it's Bretman Rock. And let's see what it looks like. So it says lit on the front of it. Very cute. And it has some really cute colors. All my kind of colors, you know, the reds and the pinks, you know, that, you know, fall colors. And if we have time, I'll swatch these at the end so that then I can go and, you know, wash it off, go to work. Y'all, yesterday, I worked on Saturday, and which I don't normally do. The girl that usually works Saturday says, oh, I've been getting off about 8:30. So I went in at 10 in the morning so that, you know, I would get my 10 hours. No, I got out of there at like 12:30. It was so bad. It was a bad day. But anyways, I'm going to hope for a good day today. Thrive Cosmetics. I know we got a big one of these in maybe BoxyCharm, I think, but to be honest, I sold it on Mercari because I really didn't need a big one, and I didn't remember ordering this. I thought I got a brush, so I don't know. Maybe I got this little one to see if I liked it. All right, so on to the Ipsy bag. Of course, I don't peek. This is the card, and it says bear yourself. I'd rather not, but okay. Alright, let's see what we got in here. First, of course, I feel a brush. I always love getting brushes in the Ipsy bags. Ooh, this one's a really pretty color. It's like a periwinkle bluish color. And it's a Luxie 237 blending brush. I mean, I'm sure I have like a gazillion of those. Maybe, you know, different blending brushes. That one wasn't a Luxie, of course. But, I don't know. Anyways, I still love getting them. So, that's a really pretty color. Luxie brushes are my favorite that I've found so far, just because they are so soft. I'll stick that in there. Then we have, I'm going to pull out, oh, a Suva Beauty eyeshadow. I really like Suva Beauty too. I got the, we got an eyeliner, I think, in Suva Beauty and something. I cannot ever open the boxes. I always think about Robin. She's like, I gotta get my man to open the box because I can't open it. And that's kind of how I feel. It takes me forever, and I end up ruining the box. Ooh, so that's the color. And it flips open here. There we go. I am going to swatch it for you. Ooh, it's like a golden color. That's, maybe I'll do another little swatch here for you. See if we can build it up a little. There you go. That's the color. It's a very pretty golden color, and actually there's some colors in this Color Pop that would go really nice with it. Alright. Next up is a BioRace Pore Purifying Spirulina and Tea Tree Clay Mask. I'm looking forward to some of you people using that Barbie mask on your face so I can watch. Because I didn't get BoxyCharm this last month. I should have, but I didn't. I feel like y'all are wonky. Like, my camera or something is not. But, oh well. I'm not starting over. But, see if it has a safety seal or if I'll be able to smell it. Yeah, it's got a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it right now. And then what else? I feel 2 more items in here. The next thing is Confidence in a Gel Lotion sample there. I actually have a big, I don't think I have it in here, but I have the big Confidence in a jar. It's not a gel, but I do really like it, and I use it almost every day. I use either that one, I'll do it on this hand. Yeah, mine's not a gel form, it's more of a lotion. But today I used this one, the coconut water one from First Aid Beauty. So I'm going to put that in my skin and see how it dries. Sometimes I kind of feel like gel ones dry a little tacky, so we'll see. But it says 72 hydration. I guess that's good. But I love It Cosmetics, and it's a very swanky brand if you buy it. Alright, and then the last thing I'm feeling in here was in some bubble wrap. I sit kind of low, so I forget that y'all aren't seeing unless I hold it up. I can get it out. Alright, what is this? Hot. I've never gotten a nail polish. Hot damn. Be Your Incredible Self by Nails Inc. That's that. I don't have any nail polish on, so why not? I'll go ahead and put some on, and y'all can see how it does. I think that's really pretty. I love, I don't want to wish my summer away because I'm not ready for like all the blizzards that Nebraska has, but I do love fall. That is the biggest thing that I miss about Tennessee is the like the different seasons. I feel like Nebraska, you jump from summer to winter. So I do have my other Ipsy bag here. I was going to tell you some of my favorites that were in here. I did really like the Balm eyeshadow. I've used it a couple times, and of course their packaging is super cute. And I used the Ciate London primer a couple times too. I don't know if you can see it. But the only thing that that was a miss for me in the last month's Ipsy bag was the Laritzi Dew Pot. It just wasn't my favorite. I'll open it for you. It didn't really do much in the way of a highlighter for me. I forgot highlighter today. So, anyways, there's that. Okay, while that's drying, we are going to talk about what I bought from Mercari. And from Mercari, I bought a couple of things for Waylon. I have this hair that is sticking out. I bought a couple of things for Waylon, and I had to adjust my chair. The boy is behind me in the kitchen, rattling stuff around. Instead of waiting on the couch till I was done. Okay, so her shop is called the Barbie Vault, as hopefully you can see behind me, and I'm gonna link it behind me or below. She is super, super sweet. I actually saw some Halloween and outfits for Waylon, who's my grandson, on her Mercari shop. And so I ordered those, and I was like, hey, or I don't know if I asked her or she asked me if I was looking for anything else, but, we just got to talking about how I had an 8-week-old grandson, and I just, pop on there every day, every couple hours maybe, and, see what I see for him. But she had these really cute Halloween outfits, and then she said, well, I'm going through some other items. I will post them. If you want them, great. If you don't, it's okay. So that's what I'm going to show you first. So I got this really cute little onesie for him that's long sleeves, and it says, I would flex, but I don't want to rip another tee. And I just thought that was really cute. And it comes with some little joggers. That was so cute. He's the sweetest. Although his mama called me yesterday and said he was a little bit crabby because she wasn't sure if he was getting sick or what. Then this is the next, and everything that I got was like in perfect condition. I didn't find any rips, holes, or stains on them. So if you have a little one, or if you're into Barbies, I want you to go check her shop out. But this one's really cute. It's got the little hood and a pocket, like a little pouch here. And then it's got the buttons down here. Then next, of course, like, we are drawn to stuff that is got whales on it, just because that's what I call him, like, as his little nickname is Whales, but his name is Waylon, and his mom, she calls him Stinky, but she said she was going to call him Whaley. Alright, so it's got little whales on it. It's super cute. It's by Carter's. It's a 6 months, and I just love these little sleepers. I try to keep all kinds of clothes here for him. That way when she brings him, a couple times I've kept him, overnight. Last week I kept him on Sunday and had him through Monday because she had a very early appointment. And, she doesn't have to bring a whole lot. Like, she brings his diaper bag, but, I have diapers here. I have clothes here. I have everything he could possibly need here. Okay, so then the little Halloween outfits. And I do know that some of these, she had a couple left. So go check her out. And she also had girls. Like, she had some really cute Halloween baby girl stuff. But I know she had this one as of the time that I looked last. She still had one of these. It's got the little pumpkin and Mickey. And so these are all brand new, the ones that I'm showing you now. And it's a 3 to 6 month. This one is really cute. It says, my mummy loves me. It's got Snoopy. I think he's super cute. And it's also a 3 to 6 month. Then my last two very favoriteest items in the bag that I have here is this one. It's got bats and ghosts and pumpkins, and it says Boo, and it's got pumpkins on his feet. Isn't that the cutest ever? And it also comes with a little hat, which is good because it's going to be getting cold. And it is a 3 month. Then the very last one is one of my absolute favorites. It's so cute. I know I keep saying that, but it's baby clothes. I mean, what's not cute about baby clothes? It's got little, like, claws there on the side, the little pants. Y'all, I want one of these for me. It's got a monster. Isn't that the sweetest ever? And it is a 3 to 6 months. It's by Baby Cat and Jack, which is Target brand. And that's got the tags on it. So cute. Then I talked to her this morning. I feel like I made a friend. Like, she joined my YouTube channel. I told her that I had one, and then I was going to feature her little shop on there. And she was really excited. But she told me this morning that she also will do custom t-shirts, blankets, onesies, I'm sure. Anything you could want, that's custom, let her know. So please go and check out the Barbie Vault. And I'll put the link down below, of course. So all those clothes, y'all, I think I got them all for like 25 bucks. That's a lot. I mean, that's like a lot of clothes for $25. I'm excited. And then y'all can't see it, but over there I'm looking at an extra saucer. So cute. I can't wait till he starts playing with all this stuff. That is one spoiled little baby. But I'm going to try to vlog with him this Monday. So be looking for that video on Tuesday. Hopefully it goes really well because he's going to be having shots right before he comes here. Yeah, so this is the color. That's just one coat of that nail polish. But I do really like the color. And I'm going to do the rest of them. But let me know what you thought of this Ipsy bag, and also let me know what you think of the cute little items that I got from the Mercari site. And if you're not a part of Mercari, then if you use my Mercari link, I'll also put it down there. You can you get $10 and I get $10, so you can use that $10 at the Barbie Vault. All right. I love each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have a very blessed Sunday, and I'll see you Tuesday. Bye.